how he's doing this. Unless this is just so playful, and it feels like being a mother or something, you know, like what he did with his mother. It's fantastic.
Sit on him.
I mean, look at Ozzy's tail. He's loving it. He loves this.
It's like what he always wanted. Ozzy. Snoopsters. Snoopsters.
His name is Poopy.
He's not good. His name's Snoopy.
Well,
What are you trying to do? What are you trying to accomplish?
God, Ozzy really is just the definition of
Honey badger don't care.
not giving a single shit.